Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2024 Toyota Venza, a car that's been turning heads since its return in 2021. Now, some might just call it a RAV4 in a fancy tuxedo, but trust me, the Venza has a lot more to offer than just good looks. Let's dive in. Exterior design. First things first, the Venza has a striking presence on the road. It's sleek and elegant, with sharp lines and a confident stance. It's definitely longer and lower than the RAV4, giving it a more premium feel. I particularly love the panoramic sunroof and the available nightshade edition with its blacked-out accents. Interior technology. But the Venza's charm extends beyond the exterior. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a spacious and luxurious cabin. The materials are top-notch, with soft leather, brushed aluminum accents, and a panoramic digital instrument cluster that looks straight out of the future. Toyota's infotainment system is also one of the best in the business, offering intuitive controls and seamless phone integration. Performance efficiency. Now, the Venza might not be a sports car, but its hybrid powertrain offers peppy acceleration and surprisingly good fuel economy. You can expect around 38 miles per gallon combined, which is pretty impressive for an SUV this size. Plus, the AWD system provides confidence on all kinds of terrain, making it a great choice for both city and suburban adventures. So, who is the 2024 Toyota Venza for? Well, it's for people who want a stylish and practical SUV that doesn't blend in with the crowd. It's for those who appreciate quality materials and cutting-edge technology. And it's for those who want a car that's as comfortable on the daily commute as it is on a weekend getaway. If you're looking for a premium SUV that offers more than just the basics, then the 2024 Toyota Venza is definitely worth a test drive. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Do you have any questions about the Venza? Leave a comment below and let's discuss. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews like this. Thanks for watching.